Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Nissan Rogue sun visor. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself with just a few common tools. First, make sure you have a new sun visor that matches your vehicle's interior and model. You will also need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small trim removal tool if available. Having a clean cloth handy will help protect your headliner. Now, let's remove the old visor. Begin by carefully prying off the small plastic cover at the base of the visor using your flathead screwdriver. This will expose the mounting screws. Next, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 or 3 screws holding the visor in place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the visor away from the headliner. If your visor has a vanity light, remember to disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab. With the old visor removed, it's time to install the new one. If your new visor has an electrical connection for a vanity light, carefully plug it into the vehicle's harness first. Then, align the new visor's base with the screw holes in the headliner. Insert and tighten the 2 or 3 Phillips head screws until the visor is securely mounted. Do not over-tighten, as this could strip the threads or damage the headliner. Almost done, the final step is to snap the plastic cover back over the visor's base. Make sure it clicks firmly into place, covering the screws. Now, test your new sun visor. Move it through its full range of motion, ensuring it pivots smoothly and stays in position. If it has a vanity light, turn on your vehicle's ignition and check that the light illuminates properly. You have successfully replaced your Nissan Rogue sun visor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.